So high friction surface treatment is an application on a roadway surface meant, just as its name implies, to increase the friction value between the vehicle tire and the pavement surface. And we achieve that basically by using a very coarse aggregate, using an epoxy to adhere the aggregate to the existing roadway surface. In MnDOT State Aid's perspective with this project is just, let's get a demonstration project out there and actually see what we are getting for unit prices, what kind of what the process is like, really building our confidence as engineers for the counties in Minnesota to figure out, is this a good strategy for us to think about? What I'm really looking forward to is just seeing obviously from a safety perspective of keeping vehicles on the roadway, but I'm also curious about the benefits, potential benefits during the winter time, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we come out of it, but I think it's a promising strategy.